Alright, so let's take a look at the surface area of a square pyramid. Right here is a picture of a square pyramid, but I actually have one right here that I've constructed out of a cracker box. You can see the base of it is a square, and that there are 4 triangular faces to this square pyramid. So if we were to open up this pyramid and have our net, you would see that it's composed of 3 pieces: the square base and then the 4 triangle pieces. So in order to find the surface area of a square pyramid, we have to add up the areas of every shape that's on the outside of our square pyramid, because we want to find the total amount of surface on the outside of this pyramid. So let's take a look at that. Alright, so we have our square pyramid here. We can see that at the base, at the bottom of our square pyramid, it has length of 2 feet. And if you look at our triangle, we can see here that the triangle has a height of 3 feet. So we're going to use that to hopefully get our area. So let's look over at our net right over here. Where is it? There it is, our net here. So we're going to look at the square piece first. So I'm going to highlight our square in red here so we can see exactly what we're looking at. And what is the length of the side of our square? It is 2 feet. If you remember, the area of a rectangle or a square is length times width. In a square, it is the same, so this is going to be quite nice. Area equals 2 times 2. So our area is 4 squared feet. So I'm going to write that in our big center there. Alright, that seems pretty easy. However, that's only one piece of our puzzle. Now we need the triangle pieces. So let me do them in a nice blue color. So let's see if we can get this triangle. I'll highlight it here as well in our net. Alright, we know the base of our triangle is 2 feet, and we know that the height is 3 feet. So if we know that, we got enough to solve our area for this triangle. Hopefully you remember what it is. So the formula for the area of a triangle is 1/2 base times height, but you can also think of that as base times height divided by 2. It's exactly the same. So let's do base times height divided by 2, just for fun. So our base, as we said earlier, that's the bottom of our triangle here, is 2 feet. And our height, how tall is our triangle? 3 feet, and divide that by 2, and you'll see that this is actually half of the formula for the area of a rectangle, because a triangle is half the size, and we get 6 divided by 2, which is equal to 3 square feet. So I'm going to put a big 3 inside of our triangle there. Now we have to add up this for the surface area. We have to add up the area of each side of our figure. So we are not done yet. Remember, if we look at our square pyramid, there are 4 triangle faces to our square pyramid plus the square base. So we have to add up all of those. Thankfully, this is quite easy because all of these triangles are equal. They all have the same area because it has a square base. So this top triangle has an area of 3 squared feet. If we came to this sort of triangle on the other side, that also has an area of 3 squared feet. And wait for it, you guessed it, that last triangle also has an area of 3 feet. So to get the surface area of the entire triangle, we have Let's write down here. So we need to add up the area of every side, including the base. We have 4 plus 3, the first triangle we found, and then, of course, the other ones, 3. And you'll see it's all the same color, so you can see which side I'm adding up. 4 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3. So that is the entire surface area of this triangle. If you wanted to add them all up, sure, let's do it real quick. All right, 4 plus 3 is 7, plus 3 plus 3 plus 3 is 10, plus 3 plus 3 is 13 plus 3. Our final answer is 16 feet squared is the surface area of this square pyramid. All right, hope that helps. Let me know if you are still confused. Bye.